Hey guys, it's Riley. Welcome back to my channel. Today I will be doing yet again another VIDEOSTAR giveaway. All of these are free, no credits needed. Just take a screenshot and import them into VIDEOSTAR and then you'll have them. You guys seem to love these videos and I love making them. So if that's the case, make sure to like and subscribe to let me know. I'll keep filming them. But yeah, that's all. Let's jump straight into the video. Okay guys, that's all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Once again, if you like and enjoy these videos, make sure to like and subscribe. Let me know and I will keep them coming for you. But yeah, that's all. I'll see you guys next week. Bye.